Hey everyone, welcome back. This is the conclusion of the series. It's been such a great journey so far, diving into some key financial topics together. We started by navigating the essentials of crafting a budget to minimize surprises and to maximize your financial readiness. We unveiled that true wealth is what you earn and what you spend, essentially, your savings. Venturing further, we explore various investment vehicles, particularly spotlighting opportunities in Guyana. Today, we are wrapping up the strategic steps for anyone considering real estate as an investment. Next, we'll be changing gear and focusing on all things Christmas. So stay tuned for that festive season content. Then we'll be back in January with the next segment where we'll expand on the different types of real estate investments. You won't want to miss this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Comment down below if you have any questions or send us a message and we'll respond to you as soon as we can. Also, feel free to visit our website. Everything is at www.phoenixrealty.gy.